don't know, man, this is King Tony Snow in the building, man. Y'all know him from IG, man. He's also with us in the shop. This is his daughter. What you want to tell YouTube today?
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Positive attitude. What you want to say to YouTube today, man?
Subscribe to AUDIOZONE. Smash that like button.
That's what I'm talking about, man. And Jaden, what you want to tell the camera today? He's too busy over here with all his look at this over here. Look what when you uncles, you do this. You get put this in your pocket, you take it. So now what you want to tell YouTube today, man?
Hello.
Hello, that's all you want to say. But y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown of what's going on here in the shop today, man. We got that beautiful car that came in, and if we keep on dismantling, the car looks more like a mess. So we definitely got to fix this 100% to get it right. Let me run y'all to the shop and y'all can see what's going on. So we do have a beautiful El Camino that came in. We're doing some pods for him. He's been working on this car for over a year, this client here. So they got the pods in here in the doors, as you can tell here. Getting those 6.5 in the door, but it's been a project and a half. My son's working on that one. Then we got this one that has been the headache. The more that we have it, it's like JB welded, as you can tell here. They really messed up when it's installed. So now we have to go through a lot more work because this is like stuck on the paint. We can't literally get it off. And it's a lot of work we have to deal with here, but little by little, we're gonna definitely get it done and just do what we do the best, man, and just make it work and happen. So on this build here, we're gonna keep y'all posted if we keep on working on this car and hopefully get it done right, because I don't like the way it looks now, so stay tuned. Yo, cause y'all boy know that Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, was born up in New York City, right? Then we get these guys, he called me on the phone today. I want you to hear say something. Y'all just watched the video a couple days ago with Ghost Cat and his white body. That's a New Yorker. He called me on the phone. I want you to say something to the camera because they can hear your accent today, Pop.
Motherfucker 1, 2, 3.
No, but you gotta say something a little bit more.
I gotta say it like that, B.
You see that? The B, yo, when you hear the B, you know you're in East Coast. Come here, nigga. We got another nigga over here. And let me tell y'all something on YouTube. They understand something that most people don't understand. When you from New York, we say the word nigga a lot. It's not a bad thing. Like, what's up, my nigga? That's just constant. My boy, where you from, Brooklyn? No, you from New York, right?
I'm from New York.
Say something to the camera.
I'm from Buffalo.
No, I want you to talk like a New Yorker. I want them to hear you.
Oh, what's good?
What's good? Y'all hear that, right? He sound like a real New Yorker. These are bootleg New Yorkers, y'all. They from upstate Buffalo, New York. They ain't nothing in the tri-boroughs. Ain't nothing about the boroughs. Ain't nothing about Queens, Bronx, Brooklyn. Ain't no rapper besides, what's his name?
Here's the deal.
Benny the Butcher.
That y'all probably never heard of, because I ain't never heard of him.
Because he old. He don't know.
What you mean I'm old?
West side.
You know what I'm saying? West side, nigga.
West side.
We east side. This is New York. So these guys here saying they're New Yorker. I want you to understand something, man.
Come on, man.
This is bootleg New Yorkers, y'all. Don't get caught up. Don't get it twisted.
So here's the part of Brooklyn.
No, I
You don't know
don't.
about the Butcher.
I don't know about the Butcher. So tell me a song about the Butcher. What's the Butcher rap about? Hold on. We can hear about the Butcher. I can't put him on YouTube because they're going to copyright me, yo,
We're
man.
gonna let you listen to him.
I can't put him on the phone, though, because they're going to copyright me, man.
No, don't copyright.
Oh, but you know what? I'm gonna tell you something. He dressed like a New Yorker. Though, look, he got the Nikes on with the baggy pants, the sweater, the hat backward. He a bootleg New Yorker. This one here, man. Look at him right here. What you want to tell the camera today, man? Just close your mask. That says everything you need to say.
You absolutely right. Absolutely right. They gotta say nothing.
You know what I'm saying? Man, but listen, y'all, he called me earlier today. He got something he wanted to do, and I heard him talking on the phone. I knew immediately he was from New York. I was actually talking to him out to Fame today for a little while about his build, and it was. It's on the camera, just say it.
You talking about my bill?
Nah, man, but anyway, long story short, man, it was crazy because he come out and he's telling me, he's thinking, I can't, man, where you from? He said New York, but they say Buffalo. I'm like, bro, Buffalo, like you saying you're from Dallas, Texas. Or, you say you're from Dallas, Texas, they tell you what part of Dallas, Texas you're from. You're from Palestine, Texas. That has nothing to do with no damn Dallas, Texas, y'all. But you know what? We love them all. We serve them all. He over there looking up the PD Cutter, whatever this guy's name is on YouTube.
We all down here for a reason.
What are we down here for?
Man, because it's more money, more women.
No, women, I'm done. You can't put me. I'm a married man. You see this?
Yeah, see.
Casado. Don't put me on that, because my wife watches my videos and she can think I be playing with y'all. Now, this is the thing I got for you, bro. Don't you wish you were a real New Yorker?
No.
In fact, you know what? We're gonna about to check something out. You a New Yorker. You know what? How old are you, man? 40. How old are you? Come here, 40-year-old. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna paralyze a 40-year-old man. Come here. Come here, New York. What are you gonna do? So we're gonna do something. We're gonna initiate it to the family over here in AUDIOZONE, home of the AUDIOCAT. When you become, now I want you to understand something, fam. When you're part of the shop, you're part of the shop. We become a family, right? Y'all part of the fam. You part of the fam?
Okay, bro.
Give me the hand. You part of the fam?
Okay.
All right, cool. To initialize them, back in the West Coast in LA, they come and they jump you to do that. We do something a little bit different here in AUDIOZONE. We're gonna go get my man here. What's your name for the camera?
D.
He's D in this. I thought he was gonna say nuts, but anyway, he's D. What is he?
Lamar.
Lamar. So we're gonna get D today. He a 40-year-old man, and you can tell he's a pretty solid dude. We're about to paralyze his hand on camera. I want you to do me a favor, D. Lift up your wrist, lift up the sweater. You can't freak out, you can't get nervous, put your phone down. He ain't got too much hood in him, so we good.
Oh.
Now, look what I need you to do. Oh, he got the tats though. Look what you got with New York. When I say relax your hand, you need to relax. I need your hand to be completely relaxed. I'm gonna grab your hand. When I say make a fist, you have to make a fist, but it can't be up or down. It has to be straight. Okay. So when I say let go, fist. Let go. It can't be up. It's gotta be let go, fist. Then I tell you to move your hand. You're gonna move your hand like this. When you move it, I'm gonna grab a position in your hand's gonna completely freeze. You ain't gonna be able to do nothing. When I let go of the hand, you're gonna get full motion again. Okay. Initiation to AUDIOZONE. So let go of your hand. There you go. Make the hardest fist you can and move it like a damn. He's broke muscles all over the place. And let this go again. Now make the hardest fist you can and move it like I told you right here. Okay, I can tell he's 40-year-old because he's cracking and prickling in here. You ever had a surgery here, man?
Yeah.
You had surgery where?
In my wrist.
What happened to you? Oh, I see it. What happened to your wrist?
Toward the cartilage and the ligament.
But you good?
Yeah.
All right, go look. Let go of the hand. Relax the hand. Relax, Papa. You gotta relax. Okay, hold on. You got tension here. Relax. Relax, relax. Just look at the kids. Just relax. Make the hardest fist you can. No, wait. Well, he got a strong ass fist, y'all. Make the hardest fist you can and move it like I told you. Okay, relax, Papa. But you're a little tense. You can see the tension. Look at the kids smile. Just relax. Okay, let go. Relax. Last time I think I got it. Make the hardest fist you can and move it like I told you as fast as you can. Hold on. Getting it as fast as you can. 40-year-old, look what you're doing, dog. Look at your hand. Yo, this is the New Yorker playing with a New Yorker, man. I'm gonna tell you one thing. I had to hold him after, because these real New Yorkers come and slug your ass after stuff like that. But you look, now I do the Latino. I'm sorry, Papi, I love you, man.
I'm just smart. I don't want to go to jail.
Yeah. We too grown to go to jail.
We can pray, man. You know, we are a YouTube store. We pray, but we do want to tell you welcome to the shop, man. We do appreciate y'all. Yo, we had a lot of New Yorkers here lately, man.
Oh, okay.
A lot of New Yorkers coming out here, which is kind of a cool thing. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I went to Brooklyn back about 4 or 5 months ago to visit grandma. And Brooklyn ain't Brooklyn no more, man. And you guys can testify to this. When you go down to Brooklyn at 10 o'clock at night, you see white people walking with purses, you know this ain't Brooklyn no more. When you go down to Harlem and you see white people walking with purses in the middle of the night, that ain't the original Harlem. But we just enjoy what we have to do, so stay tuned as we bring y'all more content. I know y'all haven't had a complete update, but Josh is in the process of building a custom build here for this guy. You can see he got already panels together. He's got his box in there. He's doing something pretty unique for this car for sure. What you think, Josh? Unique, huh?
Kind of a pain.
But he's gonna get it done, y'all. I forgot to bring that to y'all, man, but we got a custom one, a 210 floating on the top. Something really simple, a basic install, but Josh is in the process of getting this one done too for y'all. And we just rolling, man. As far as the wide body goes, we have accomplished removing all the panels that we need to. He's gonna rip down the back ones and get this bad boy out the door and situated. It was a horrible job that they did. We're definitely gonna make it right, y'all. So this car here, stay tuned for more. All right, YouTube, so we're actually building that build in the car that we're doing the custom box in the back of the vehicle for, man. But he walked in with this whole entourage, and then we got this guy over here looking like he got an attitude problem. He a mean machine or something. This guy, what's your name for this? What's your name, man? Ed? That's your real name? Yeah. Where you from?
The cliff.
You from the cliff? Well, I said 'cause he looks so big and bulky, I'm gonna go ahead and paralyze his hand on camera today. Come on. Let's see how big and boy he really is. Your boy about to get his hand paralyzed. What you thinking, man? I'm gonna call here, man. All right, come on, get stand right here. Damn, look at the boy's pants. Came out Lucky Charms. Check this out. Pick up your Come on, man. What you scared of? You're from the cliff, nigga. What's up? Take this off. Lift it up. All right, because look what we're gonna do, y'all. I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. Let go of your hand. I'm gonna grab your hand. I'm gonna be looking for a pressure point. When I find the pressure point, I'm gonna say, let go of your hand. I'm gonna say, make a fist. You're gonna make a fist. It can't be up or down. It has to be straight. Let go of your hand. Make a fist. Let it go, and then make a fist. But it gotta be, remember, it gotta be flat. So let it go. Let go of your hand. Relax your hand, and then make the hardest fist you can. Okay. Then when I tell you that, you're gonna move it as much as you can this way, side to side. Now you need to relax. You gotta pay attention. He's not gonna hurt, bro. Is he hard or is he like this all the time? Is he a hard nigga? He ain't no, you know. He's softy? Yeah. Oh, all right. Cool. We're about to see, man. Like, no, don't be flexing here, nigga. Look at Tony Snow over there. Relax. Let your hand go, man. Relax. Just relax your body.
It's not gonna hurt you. You're just not gonna feel it.
All right, make the hardest fist you can. Move it like I told you. Okay, relax, puppy. But you got a little tension here. Look, puppy. Look at me. It's not gonna hurt. Relax. Look at the TV. Relax your hand. Look, why is it still standing? Relax your hand, man. Look at the TV. Press the hardest you can and move like I told you. Keep on. Okay, got it. Relax. Now, make the hardest fit you can and move it like I told you as fast as you can. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. You do it. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Look what you're doing, man. Welcome to AUDIOZONE, home of the AudioCat, man. We play, we have fun. That was a great job, my friend. We'll be back with y'all in a minute, man. This one finally built. They're about to turn it into the custom. I'm gonna have Josh show you what's going on, so you can take a look at it. Want a single build, something pretty easy, something pretty fast. And this is what it came out looking like. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think. Y'all ready? Ta-da! Completely built wall, amplifier custom built, everything looks nice and clean. Something simple, but something really clean. Sounds good, does his job, man, and it's gonna be able to do what he needs it to do, man. So we're gonna be pretty much wrapping up this day with today. We wanna always thank you guys for watching. Thank you. In fact, before I do this, let me reveal it to the customer and get his response. Hold on. Simple build. Well, now you have a whole build, there's a whole wall, looks fully custom, completely head to toe. You got your amplifiers in the bottom, your subs in there, sounds great. Everything blacked up because you had all that gray, whatever you had over here, and now y'all couldn't clean. What's your reaction?
It's good, bro.
You happy?
Yes, sir. Real
I got, where's my other guy here, my vato? What's your name for the camera, man?
Marco.
What's your fake name?
Marco.
Chico, what's your name, nigga? You gotta come up with a real name. Everybody got a name. I go as Jeff Cruz, like they call me the AudioCat. Everybody got a different name, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, it's just Marco.
Just Marco. I'm gonna say Polo, Marco, Polo, and I'm playing y'all. I wanna thank y'all for watching, man. Thank y'all for the subscriptions. Y'all be good and God bless.